Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Sumif with the multiple criteria in same column. So let's start. So you can see here Sumif with the multiple criteria in same column. Okay. So in same column, in product column, I'm going to use two criteria, means two product. So two product and one the total amounts. Okay. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the Sumif. First range, so range of criteria. Here the criteria will be product. So product range will be product column. So select the first cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Use the comma. Now just enter the criteria. In curly bracket, I'm going to enter two criteria. First is in double quote sofa. So first product is sofa, then comma. Use the second criteria is jacket. Okay, in double quotes. So I'm using double quote, curly bracket. Okay, then use the comma, then sum range. So here I want sum total amount of these two criteria. Sum total from total column. Therefore, sum range will be total amount column. Select the cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Then bracket closed and enter. That's it. You can see the total amount of the sofa product, and this is a jacket. If you want to cross check, okay, just apply the filter on your data. Okay, shift control L to apply the filter. Then filter here was sofa product. So I search here in search box of filter sofa and drag this total amount 5733.63. I remove this filter 5733.63. This is a sofa total amount. Now I filter again and select here the jacket. Okay, jackets total amount 575316. 575316. Suppose I add your same product jacket in one more entry, then we you can check here 5753 will change. Okay, suppose I add here and see 6747 means this 994 also added here. Okay, okay. So this total amount of sofa product, okay, and this total amount is jacket, okay. So, and if you want this both amount in one total, means one sum of the both amount. So just simply double click on this formula and edit here the sum. Just add here the sum function. After the is equal to, just enter the sum, okay, in bracket and do the last bracket. Add the one bracket last, close bracket, okay, and just enter and see here the both amount will add it. Okay. If you want to cross check, again I apply the filter. Now I select here the both product, sofa and jacket, sofa and jacket. Okay, and see here the total amount. Sum 12480.99. 12480.99. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.